Stugits. It's a bad spot for demos. We got power lines and shit, but
Nobody live right there.
it's all good.
I like them. I like them.